Mahlzeit, Freunde. All I want to do, I swear, is to paint the edges black. Let's dive right in, you guys. I'm going to show you a hide and reveal today. This is my pillow paint, and I will add several colors on top of that. First one is Gilded by TLP. And in the end, I will cover all my layers with black. And I intended to cover everything with black and revealing the colors underneath. I will be teaching this class in Dallas at the Fluid Art Experience, where this piece will be raffled off, but more to that later. This one here is Golden Yellow by Try Art, and on top of that, Grayish Blue by Amsterdam. Where was I? Oh, the black. Intentions were cover the whole thing. Guess what? I tried this several times and I'm running out of my black. Last color before I add my black is the same color that I put underneath, just with a blob of titanium white to lighten it up. So I will show you a classic hide and reveal as I teach it. And I don't worry about the black covering the whole edges. I intend to just paint it in the end, and I will show you that once I'm done doing this. So what do you have to do to win this piece? Well, you guys, you have to attend the Fluid Art Experience, which happens in March 14th till the 16th. You have to attend the gala dinner, and each class you booked, you will get a ticket that will give you the chance to win so many prizes. Not only the paintings that each teacher made for this raffle, also goodie bags, stuff, lots of cool shit. So if you already booked your tickets and don't have a place to stay, we have a link in the description to get a cheaper rate at the Renaissance Hotel. That is only good up till the 13th, so a week from now, you guys, you have to have it done. If not, boo-hoo. If you go to the description box, you'll find a playlist link. If you click on that, you will see all the pieces created for the raffle. Maybe you fall in love with somebody that you haven't met before, and with their classes. See us in March. And now, oh my gosh, you guys. So this is it now, you guys. Some really fun parts in there. My goat broke in some spots. I wonder what that was. I'm liking it. I love that greenish, no. I love that bluish gray and the yellows together. Some really weird cells, man. Okay, step 2. I will show you how I painted the edges black. I started with some touch-ups, then putting some highlights in, then drawing a line, then getting the airbrush out, and then I totally lost it. I'm a little bit in a time kerfuffle here. There is not enough time to show you the whole process. This is just a fun piece, just enjoy, and it's a pretty special piece. I guess you saw that I got a little bit sidetracked. Check this piece out. So the varnish did tie everything together. I think it will need one more coat. And then I can't wait for you to see this in person. It needs one more coat of varnish, and then it will see you next month.